Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Another useful and informative video which is about how to fix or download shortcuts not working on iPhone after iOS 17 update. So how to fix this issue? First of all, I will request to my all friends, please subscribe and share my YouTube channel. Press the bell icon for more latest videos. So do not waste any time. First of all, fix this issue. So you have opened the Instagram app. So you have how to download Instagram Reels. So you have opened the Instagram app and then click on Reels. So you have click on share to. So then you have click on share to. So you have a scroll up. Then you have seen my iPhone screen or download. So you have click here and then iPhone given a permission. Then you have taken a permission of our download shortcuts. So you have first solution, first permission given, and then few seconds wait, then second permission is given uh, on this time. So is download my iPhone, first permission and given is automatically download my iPhone. So you have opened the photos, then you have seen same videos available two times, then download my iPhone. So if the and this time, so how to download our downloads on iPhone? So you have opened the Safari browser, then you have searched the theme points. So then you have searched the theme points. So then you have click on three dots. So then you have click here iOS shortcuts. So you have click on all media downloader. So you have scroll up, then you have seen are download shortcuts. So you have installed the shortcuts on your iPhone. So then I have already downloaded is given my iPhone and replace. So then setup next and then add no shortcuts, replace. So then you have click the shortcuts, my shortcuts. So then you have click on our download is downloading. So you have allow and then second permission is given, and then you have skip exit. Not you have click on no, then you have click on exit, and then he is a download automatic on your iPhone. So then you have done, and then you have again open the Instagram. So then other video I will download my iPhone. So then his video uh, share and then share to. You have scroll up or download, click, and then he is automatically download on my iPhone. So then he is given a permission. So then you have allow, and then he is automatic download my iPhone. So you see in my iPhone a few seconds wait, then video is download my iPhone or download, then you have wait the few seconds, video is done. I have seen my iPhone, video is automatic download my iPhone. So hopefully guys, after watching this video you will all know. If you have any problem, so you have a comment in box. So hopefully guys, you have fixed this issue. So thanks for watching, see you in the next video. Do not forget to subscribe and share my YouTube channel. Allah Hafiz.